To my LGBTQIA+ community, listen to this. We are a community of normal, valid, able, capable, and beautiful human beings. And do not let anyone or any group tell us otherwise. Huwag tayong pumayag na basta nabubuhay lang. Yung nabubuhay ng wala lang. At para tayong mga nilalang na nilalang. Dapat tayong mabuhay ng may karapatan, may kalayaan, at may dignidad. Karapatan, kalayaan, at dignidad na maging ating tunay na sarili. Ang ating totoong sarili at pagkatao ay parang West Philippine Sea. Di nila pwedeng angkinin at baguhin.